So next, I'm going to hand it back to Alcanza for support tips and tricks to wrap up this presentation.
All right, thank you very much, Pierre. And yes, the last slide is the last section, and it's about support. Basically, we wanted to include the two types of AVEVA support levels that are available. And we wanted to list all the differences here on the slide, or most of the differences here on the slide, so you guys can see these differences. For example, the premium comes with a 24/7 support, while the standard is only Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. And then you get access to the AVEVA Corporate and AVEVA Select support. This is during normal business hours. While for the standard, you get access to the AVEVA Select support. I'm going to leave this slide here for a minute so you guys can go through it. And if you have any questions about the different AVEVA support levels, just reach out to us or type in the chat, and someone will be contacting you with more information.